here, then hey, my name is Brooke. It's nice to meet you if it's your first time watching my video. I make coffee videos and recipes and stuff like that, so if you like coffee, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a salted cream cold brew with caramel, and it's a video request from one of my subscribers, so if you guys requested that, then I'm making this video for you. And also at the end of this video, I'm going to announce the giveaway winner for this beautiful glass pour-over set. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And with all that being said, if you're interested in learning how to make a salted cream cold brew with caramel, then just keep watching. Okay, so first things first is you're going to need heavy cream, some ice. This ice, I got it from Chick-fil-A. If you didn't know, you can get a bag of their ice for like $1.50, and I love it. It's convenient. And then you're going to be using maple syrup or a sweetener of your choice. You can use cane sugar, you can use agave, you can use stevia, you can use like a vanilla syrup, anything you want. You're going to need some kind of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt because this is the only salt I have. I don't have like regular table salt, but if you have regular table salt, that'll work just fine too. So you're going to need cold brew, obviously, and something to froth your cream in. I'm going to be using my Keurig frother, but you can totally use an electric hand whisk thing. Those work pretty good. You can use a regular whisk. You can use a blender too. There's like endless possibilities for that. But so to start off with, we are going to take your sweetener of choice. You're going to take either maple syrup or something like that. However sweet you want the cream, dude, it's up to you. I put about a tablespoon of maple syrup into my thing. You can equal that out to a tablespoon of sugar, or if you don't like it sweet, totally use less. It's up to you. This recipe is all your creation. And then you're going to need heavy cream. If you don't have heavy cream, you can totally use a dairy-free alternative. It doesn't matter. You just need a thick creamer type of base. You can use oat milk as well. And for heavy cream, I think I put about 2 or 3 tablespoons of heavy cream in there. Also, depending on how much cream you want on top of your coffee. Most of my recipes are adjustable to your taste. And so for the pink Himalayan salt, I'm just going to put a couple cracks in, like a pinch of salt. Because a little bit of salt goes a long way, especially when you're mixing it with like a sweetener. And I'm just going to mix it up because I'm not mixing it in here. If you're mixing it in here, just put your hand, like frother in there and just mix it up. I'm going to put it into my Keurig mixer. I don't know if you could tell or not, but your girl's engaged. Let me know if you guys want to see that video because we recorded it. It was beautiful. So now you're going to froth your milk however way you want. I'm going to froth mine in my Keurig. Okay, I totally forgot to mention, but obviously if you want it to have caramel, add caramel. It's in the title. I'm just going to be using caramel drizzle, but you can use caramel syrup as well. I'm going to add the cold brew in. Now the cream. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, now the caramel. For the caramel, I'm just going to add a little bit. If you want this caramel sauce recipe, I will link it down below for you guys as well. But yeah, totally forgot to even mention that you need caramel when it's in the title, but you can either use caramel drizzle and like make your own, or you can buy some at like Target, just like this squeezable caramel, or you can get like the Torani or like one of those like caramel syrups as well if you want the caramel to like really be in there. But I just kind of want it to accent it. I don't want it to take over the whole drink. If that makes sense. Now the best part, let's try it. think I like the salted cream better than I like the regular sweet cream foam, which I haven't made in a while, but it's delicious, and I don't know how I forgot about her. So yeah, that drink's really good. You guys definitely try it out. If you've tried the sweet cream cold from my video, I'll link it here. Definitely try the salted cream. It's really, really good. It's like a perfect hint of salt, and the caramel goes great with it. So it's a win-win for me. Ever since I got engaged, I'm like. But yeah, okay, so are you guys ready for the grand finale of this video? So, the winner, first, before I say the winner, I just want to say thank you guys so much for, like, if you entered or, like, if you subscribed to my channel and, like, all the support that you've shown me. I really do appreciate it. Like, it's unbelievable to me, and I'm so grateful to be where I am. But with all that being said, the winner of this beautiful pour over set is VeronicaMarce. Marcy? I don't know if I'm saying your name right, but I will have DM'd you by the time this video comes out. So congratulations, girlfriend. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope that if you guys didn't win, you still stay subscribed to my channel, because it'd mean a lot to me, and I'm just really grateful to be where I am, and thank you guys so much, and I'm just so happy to be here. This coffee is freaking good. So, with all of that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you try this recipe out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you try this recipe out, and if you guys have any drink requests you want me to make, just leave them down below in the comments. I'm slowly making my way through your guys' requests, and I truly appreciate all of your support, and thank you so much for subscribing, and I can't believe that we're here, and I'm so excited to just like keep going and like go further. So yeah, with all of that being said, I hope that you guys have a good day, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you are, and thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay blessed, drink your coffee, and mind your business. Sounds good.